Bike check on the 2024 Rapid Blue Fast Ripper. We did some upgrades to it. We're starting with the Bassett 4-piece 10-inch bars in chrome, blue and white SC pad set, super soft Amy grips in baby blue with the white brake lever covers. And then we got the Mike Buff Fast Ripper forks in baby blue to change it up a bit. Totally changed the look of this bike. Goes great with the rims and all the other little blue accents. We got the Deity pedals in baby blue, KMC hollow chain in chrome. And then we got the hard to find baby blue factory SC pegs. Those come on bikes only. Ride Out Supply, quick release in baby blue. We got the Chromoly laid back seat post. Every OG BMXer has a laid back seat post. SC Racing, white and baby blue checkered seat. This bike, it just looks completely different now from factory. We got the blue and tan Rant Squad tires in 29.